Hello and welcome guys. How are you doing? How's everything going? So in this video we are going to be creating a social media flyer. Okay, we are going to be creating a flyer for a perfume brand. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let's deal with our size here. And for square social media, we are going to be using 1080 by 1080, 1080 by 1080. Make sure it is in pixels. Okay, make sure it is in pixels and click create. Okay, so once you click create, your Photoshop opens like this. So we have a canvas like this. So the first thing we want to determine is what type of background are we going to use. Okay, so I'm going to go over to place embedded. Okay, from file here, place embedded. We want to bring in our background. Okay, and from place embedded, it's going to open your files for you. Let's select downloads. We want to bring in our file from downloads. So that is where the background that we have downloaded is. The system is doing a lot at the moment, so just relax for it to um, do its thing. Okay, so we we could actually use a plain white background, but I don't want it to be too boring. I don't want the white background to be too boring, so that's why I'm looking for another kind of background that can help us to spice up the plain white background. Okay, let's bring this in. This is basically black with white light, but you see what we are going to do to it very soon. Now we already have our white fill, our white background. We have it already, and what we are bringing in, we also have it here. So what we are going to do now is we are going to go over to effects, the type of overlay that we want to use. So you click here, this panel is for your layers. So let's click there and check around how this can amplify. Just check which one bring out the black part. Okay, if you see one, let's just check everything. Okay, let's say we use this difference like this, then we reduce the opacity this way. Alright, so the opacity is reduced but not finally removed. So we still have our white background right there. Okay, and the next thing that we are going to be bringing in is the perfume itself. Okay, we'll go ahead to look for the perfume. Okay, so with that same process of place embedded, I've been able to bring in our perfume. Okay, which basically has the white and black color scheme too. So you just expand it and place it like this. Okay, so the name of the perfume is on the body, and yes, that is also what we are going to be writing at the back. Okay, so from here now, you want to add shadow to this perfume. So you go over to layers here, create new layer, create new layer like this. Let's name it shadow. Okay, okay, so we've named it shadow. You go over to your brush. Okay, click on brush. This brush is in white, so Ctrl Z. We are not going to be using white brush. Come down here, click on, I hope you can see where I am. Down here with these two shapes that has colors, click on the top one and then change it to black. Okay, remove black. So you just click once. If it's not dark enough, you can click the second time. Okay, so you go back to your selection tool and scale this down. Hold on shift as you are moving this like this. So after that, this is what we have, like a kind of shadow. Okay, so this side is kind of sharp, which we don't want. So let's start the process again. Layer, new layer, shadow, click on brush. We already have the color black here, so let's use this maybe like this, like this. Okay, and then hold on shift and drag this down like this. Yes, this is awesome. Okay, so from there you put this shadow now, you take it down to the back of this PNG egg. Okay, let's name this one F. That's our F. P F. Okay, if you want to name any layer, you just double tap. Okay, so texture. So yes, so we have this right here, and the next thing we want to do is to write this name, Bennne. So let's insert our text like this. Insert our text. Okay. Capital Bennne. Then we look for a kind of font that's stylish and can complement this I don't have any in mind, so let's just search my font library if I'm going to see what we want. Can this work? Can this work? I'm thinking if this can work. Yes, I think this can work. So let it just fix and then we'll place it behind the purple. Okay, so that all of these white places, this is actually part of the purple, but it's white and it's disappearing into the background because the background is also white. By the time we place this behind the cap, it actually shows the cap a bit more. Okay, so let's expand this. Let's expand like this. Okay, yeah, I think I'm making something really good now. Like this, and take it to the back on the pencil this way. Alright, so with this, let's duplicate it. By clicking on Alt and dragging, you are dragging another duplicate. So I'm going to duplicate it and skim it down, or come here, just double tap to edit, and then you come up here, let's double tap, you come up here to reduce the size, okay. In as much as we want to believe people can reach from behind and from the bottom, we might just also want to um, place it somewhere around here, somewhere around here, and this time we are going to put below it quality, quality. Okay, so we have this right here, and now we want to add our price tag. Let's come down here. If you just click on this, it will give you a rectangle like this. Let's delete that. If you right click now, if you right click on it will give you options to choose from. So you choose the eclipse tool. Hold down your shift button and do it like this. When you hold down shift button, this is what it does for you. It just creates a circle normally. It doesn't let it go or bend like this. So that's what it does for you. So let's leave this like this, and we change the color to white by coming here. As you can see here, then tapping this box here twice and change the color to white like this. After that, you can double tap this or you right click and go to blending options. So when you get to blending options, you're going to see different options in which you can blend your shape or your image. So you click on drop shadow. Okay, so you can see that this one has shadow already now. If we increase the opacity here, the shadow gets thicker, but we don't need really thick shadow, we just need little. So I'm going to put it this way, increase the distance, increase the size a little bit, and the spread. Okay, so we have this here. Okay, now I want to put the price. Okay, I want to put the price. Just like I thought, you hold on Alt and Shift this. So let's take it up front of the values. Okay, so here we go. I want to input the price here. So let's put this as 500 bucks. It's a luxury perfume, so it can't be cheap. It can't be cheap. So we've got $500 for this perfume. Okay, so um, after that, we are going to add the contacts or the website. Yes, the website where people can shop. Okay, so you just draw like a straight line down here. Okay, let the line be here, or we might not really need the line, but let's use the line first. Let's use the line first. Let's see. Alright, just check to see whether what I'm recording is still going. So let's change this to white, or what color should we change it to? Okay, let's just change it to white. I think white is okay. So we change that to white. Uh, yeah, white. Then we double tap again. For the blending option, we open the other time and add stroke. Stroke is the black line around it. So just reduce the size here. Reduce it to like 1. Yes, I think this one is great. Then let's come to this radius. Corner radius, just increase it like 5. Okay, yes, I think we have what we actually need here. Reduce the field to so we have reduced the field from here. If you click on this shape, this is the field. You can increase it like this, or you reduce it like this. So we don't need the field, don't need the white field, since the background is white. So what we just do is to take this down a little and still use the same text for the sake of consistency. Hold Alt and drag it from here, and then let's insert our done text into this. Call no, it's luxury. So you visit their website. Visit 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 www.luxuryperfume.com slash sample. This is a sample website, so I don't know if something like that exists. Just using it to teach you, so you can know what to put on your design when you're practicing. Okay, so I'm going to move this up so it can be on top of the rectangle, and I can be able to move it how I like. Okay, so this we're done with our design and social media um, presentation for this perfume. Okay, for this perfume. So yeah, what you do next is to go to file, go to exports and save for web. Okay, save for web. So you can see this is a very simple perfume, very simple one, and the design also very catchy, very effective, and with less of joking. So save it and call it perfume perfume SOS flyer. Yeah, save. Make sure to submit your assignments as at when due, and don't forget to stay tuned for the next class. Alright? See you in the next one. Goodbye. It's my recorder.